Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing and quick look of Xiaomi's Enchen hair trimmer. Today we're gonna unbox it and take a quick look at it and also compare it to my very old Philips 3000 series beard trimmer. So let's not wait and unbox it and see what's inside. Before I unbox it, I'm just gonna tell you that where I got it from. I got it from Extreme Gadgets, a renowned shop in Bangladesh, for the price of 1250. This is a heavily discounted price as this was going for around 2000 taka, and 1250 taka means roughly $15. And what I also got was this uh, for my next purchase, 5 to 10% discount. So if you get it from there inside Bangladesh, of course you're gonna get this very good price and also a discount card. So there's that. So I'm gonna now unbox this one. So I got it already sealed from Extreme Gadgets, and I opened it to check the trimmer, but this box is in very good condition. As you can see, this is very rare as in of our country, so there are all dents all over, but this is really good condition of packaging. So here I get another box. So here are the two boxes, and if we take a closer look at the back, we are gonna see the same things written in the same fashion. So I'm gonna take a look at the white one. As you can see, uh, here is, I cannot really say what is this. This is R-shaped something related to the shape. This is a low noise. This trimmer has low noise, and this is about the battery or something. And this does turbo boost your trimming. So I guess the sliders move a bit, the cutters move a bit faster. So there's that, and you can charge it through USB-C. And I guess this supports fast charging. Yes, this supports fast charging, and I guess this is something related to the battery life. I'll just use Google Lens and uh, show you the English translations. And here are the things, and all I know is this is 5 volts and this is 5 watts and fast charging, I guess. So there's that. So let's put the box aside and take a closer look inside the box. So here's the manual. Inside the manual, I guess there is no English. Is there? No, there isn't. But if you want to take a look at it, you can. I'll just slowly scroll around like this so you can see if you want to. Yes, there's USB type C. There's more information. And here's, I'll just give it a slide. And what, okay, this, yes. Here is a lubricant for your blades so they keep running smooth for longer. Here's the brush to clean your blades. So, and here is USB type C cable. I don't know does it transfer data or not, but this will surely power up your devices, all your USB-C devices, and this will support fast charge. Yes, this is a full size, 1 meter, I guess. Okay, I'll just keep that aside and take a look at the trimmer itself. Firstly, I'm just gonna say this feels really good, really solid. You can say really solid material. And here is the USB-C we all want. So, and there's nothing here and nothing here, and here's the slider. You can see here are the steps. And there's that. And you can just take it off just like that, I guess. Why can't I? Okay, here we go. Here are the blades, and you can just take it off like this, I guess. And here is the machine, the motor, and the hooks for itself. And here you can see the springs, so that this takes back its place. So I'll just don't do this anymore. I guess I will destroy this. So these are the metal plates, yes, and this looks like plastic, but this is ceramic. So this is a noticeable feature of this blade, and as I came to know that this is much more comfortable and 1.6 times smoother or sharper than a regular metal blade. So there's that. I'll just replace it. After a lot of hard work, I just got this to work. So you see a hook here. So yeah, plastic, I guess, plastic valve or whatever you call it. You just place it here and clip it like that. And here you go. And what I will do is press of a button. This will start. You can see it, I hope. This is a very silent one, so I'll just compare it to my Philips one, though that's very old. I'll just compare it the sound. So now I'm gonna test these two side by side. As you will know that this costs 3,350 taka, which is roughly $40, which is 3 times more than the Enchen one. So this is not really justified to compare with this with that, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. So with this sound, you just just gonna check the sound, and you'll see. And with this one, I guess the Enchen one is a bit more silent still. So there's that. Now I'm gonna check the precision. Here are the big steps. You can see, you just press this and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here is this. Okay, I'll just put this back. And for this one, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 19, I guess 19 steps. There we got to 10 and 0 0.5, 1 and 0 0.5, and here is, you guys see this way. This is a hair trimmer actually, and this is a beard trimmer, so there were differences. That's why I get two of these, for beard and for hair. So this size is not definitely good for my hair, and this can go a bit longer, I guess. Yes, it can, though not so much, but a little. So here you go, the review of Xiaomi Enchen, and a quick look and a quick comparison of all of it. So thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you think it was helpful and informative. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.